Here's how you can protect your personal and confidential information online using jump cuts.
I love Mike's videos. Please subscribe to his channel for more tips, tricks, and tutorials.
There are basically two ways to protect confidential information in videos: blurring like you see here and jump cuts. The first thing I'm going to do is double tap the clip to the right to open the clip editor. Then I'll resize the clip so that the viewer can see how and where to enter an email address, but not the email addresses that are listed as I type. Using the sliders provided, you can make the clip bigger and reposition it. Everything inside the white box will be shown on screen. That's why I start by making the clip as big as possible, and then moving it to show exactly what I want, while covering up confidential information. As I'm doing this, I need to play the clip to see what it's going to look like. Let's take a look at that in the actual video. This is what you see. The list that appears when I type is not visible. That's what I want. Don't forget to export the video when you're done. Let's take a look at the finished product. The video you're watching now is part of a course that teaches people how to use cell phones for the first time. Therefore, I want to make sure that people know where to put an email address and how to type on the phone. But I need to hide confidential information, such as the list of email addresses that appears as I type. This method allows me to do that by taking the information off screen. Did you notice I forgot to blur out my name during the actual tutorial? This is another reason why I use this method. I don't have to worry about forgetting to blur out confidential information. If you have a problem or this does not work for you, leave a comment below so I can help you. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up if you liked the video and found it helpful. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.